Hi, welcome to Beth Cooks the Internet. Today I'm making Sopa Paraguaya from New York Times Cooking, suggested to me by my friend Erin. Let's get started. To a medium skillet, add 1 cup of corn oil. Add 1 onion, diced small, and cook until translucent.
Remove from the heat and add 1½ teaspoons of salt.
Blend 1 cup of corn into a coarse puree. Separate 8 eggs and whisk the whites until frothy and white. Then add 1 yolk at a time. Carefully bring the batter together by mixing 4 cups of pre-cooked cornmeal with the pureed corn. Then add all the cooked onion with the corn oil. Then stir in half the milk, 2 cups. Then add grated Munster cheese, 8 ounces, and half of the egg mixture. Fold until combined. Then add the remaining egg mixture and the final 2 cups of milk. Stir until combined. The mixture will look wet, like a cake batter. Pour the batter into a prepared 9 by 13 inch baking pan and bake at 375 for 40 to 45 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. And there you have it, Sopa Paraguaya from New York Times Cooking. Thanks for the suggestion, Erin. I give this recipe a 3 for easy and a 5 for tasty. There are a lot of steps, but it's definitely worth it. Do you have a recipe or ingredient you're curious about? Send it my way and I'll tell you how tasty and easy it is. You can comment right here or find me at bethcookstheinternet.com.